hirap. Alright, so we just finished wrapping this very beautiful Ford GT. Unfortunately, hindi siya for big guys like me. I'm 6'1". That cockpit is very small and it's just not for me, kaya di ako bibili ng isa. Joke lang. So, we finished wrapping the entire car in Magnus Pro paint protection film. Gotta say, it looks really, really nice. And medyo struggle siya gawin because it's a really, really complicated car and 90% of the parts are carbon fiber. So even the wheels, as you can see, we actually protected this also with Magnus Pro PPF. Kasi pag nagasgas to, medyo masakit. So wheels are carbon, the entire body is actually carbon. The hood, the bonnet, the bumper, everything is carbon fiber, and we were able to protect every single part. And I want to show you guys this part over here. So syempre, this is a Ford GT. Although sanay kami magbaklas ng mga body panels ng mga cars, medyo ayoko baklasin tong part na to kasi nakakatakot. So we have a technique where we wrap this door panel without actually removing the side mirror, and wala ka makikitang seam anywhere around it. So we call that the magic trick. And we're very happy that we were able to develop that through time. And ang linis na na-install. I'm just really happy because everything was really, really nice. One of the hardest things to wrap on this car is actually this part over here. As you can see, sobrang lalim yan. And yung mga squeegee namin, medyo hirap din pumasok dun sa mga tight corners niyan. So we actually have a different type of squeegee that we use for those deep crevices. Very complicated. It's a very, very long piece. Pero as you can see, we're able to install it very well, no bubbles. Very, very clean installation. So even the taillights are also protected with Magnus Pro PPF. And check this out. Even this part, each of this were individually wrapped as well. Kahit na wala naman tayo masyadong chance na ma-damage siya, we still protect that. The wing, even under the wing, is also protected. This very, very nice carbon fiber rear bumper and rear diffuser has also been protected with Magnus Pro PPF. So talagang every single part of this car has been protected with Magnus Pro PPF. So when we go inside, itong part na to, of course, everything is protected with Magnus Pro PPF as well. And even the inside of this door card, carbon fiber kasi ito lahat. So all of those are protected naman with a Magnus Pro Matte PPF. Kasi yun yung original color niya and we wanted to retain the original finish of the car. Actually, even this one is protected with Magnus Pro Matte PPF. Of course, this side over here kasi pag pumapasok and lumalabas ka, as you saw me earlier, it was very, very hard to go in and out. So we also had to protect all of those. This car took a while. It took a while because it's not an easy car. It's not a normal templated car. Like let's say a Ferrari 488, the panels are a lot simpler. This one is extremely complicated, but we were able to do it, and we were able to do it in a Second Skin Industries way. Of course, malinis, seamless, and you can't actually tell that we did full PPF on this car. So, if you want us to do something with this car, comment down below. Let us know what you think, what you want to know, and how you'd want us to do our future videos featuring cars like this. Alright, so, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.